If you want a budget with flexibility, the 50-20-30 method could be perfect for you, and you don't have to give up your Netflix account to do it. It's simple. Figure out how much money you take home after taxes, then divide your budget into 3 spending categories: needs, goals, and wants. Cut that amount in half. This is the 50% of the budget, and put it toward your needs, like rent, gas, and groceries. Also add in your minimum payments for debt, like your credit card, car, or student loan payments. Your needs are anything you need to survive, or that would impact your credit score if you didn't pay. So your gym membership actually isn't a need. Now, onto that 20%. Put that amount toward your financial goals. That might mean paying more than your minimum payments on your debt to pay it off faster, or contributing to your 401k or personal savings account. This could be your new rainy day fund. Finally, everyone's favorite part of the budget, wants. 30% of your budget goes here. Here's where you can add in that gym membership or budget in money for your shoe habit. You'll feel rewarded while sticking to a budget, which makes this one of our favorite methods.